this video, I will guide you how to fix Twitter lag on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and click on Twitter. Scroll down to end, click on Twitter app and click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Twitter app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to App Library, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management and scroll down and click on Reset and click on Reset all settings. Reset setting, enter font pin, click on Continue. Again tap on Reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so just click and hold side power button, click on Restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter font pin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.